So today I'm unboxing a Young Nails mystery box. I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of upset with like how small it was, but all I did was open it because I wasn't even sure what it was. I thought it wasn't the mystery box. But I haven't like seen what's in it, so we'll see how much comes in it. This is mystery box A. There was, I believe, just A and B, and like if you got two of box A, it would have like the same things in it. So it's not like the not polished mystery box or any of the other mystery boxes. It's like A is a set box and B is a set box. Like you can't order like 6 in one box and get like different things. But this was $42.40 total. Like I think that was the shipping. Let me see if I can. I don't think I can see anything else about my order. But yes, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. Alright everyone, so I just have it open because my address is on the other side of this. It literally just came like in the package like this. But I see a couple things. Let's start off with the brushes. Okay, literally just says Young Nails on it. I'm assuming this is like a liner or detail brush. Hopefully that focuses. But yeah, it's just a wooden handle. And it's a little thick for a liner and detail brush in my opinion. Put that over there. And the next one is a, oh my god, that's really tiny. And this one says Young Nails Micro Detailer. So that is very small. So that will come in handy. Oh, I don't know why I put that over there. This one will go through it. The next thing I see is Young Nails. It says Sonic Gel Paint. Why is it wrapped like literally so much? Okay. There's the thing. Nails can be a struggle. Okay. So let's open this up. I didn't know it was going to be sealed so much. I wonder if it's sealed on the inside too. It is. Oh my god. Ooh, crap. So, yeah. It's pretty much the same color that's on the lid. It's like a turquoise color. I don't want to get this all over me. There we go. So yeah, it's just like a turquoise gel paint that I'm really going to get all over the place. Okay. And oh yeah, that, like I said, that was the color Sonic. And let me see if it says, it does not, oh no, it doesn't say the size anymore. It just says expires after 12 months, Young Nails, gel paint, Sonic, and like the numbers for the color. Okay, and the next one, let's open it up first, if I can. Oh my god, I have tweezers. Why am I not using my tweezers? Okay, finally. Okay, and this is the color Fizz. Again, it says it expires after 12 months. That's it. I'm assuming it's like a white color. Let's see if we can get this open. Oh, is this a gel paint too? Yeah, this is a gel paint. Yeah, it's a white. So that. I'm literally gonna get these all over me. I kind of wish they said the sizes on them because I know on my not polish unboxing I had the question of the sizes, and I feel like that's a pretty normal thing to wonder like when you see it, because I mean it's kind of hard to tell based off the camera like how much you're getting in it, and I can't really explain how much you're getting in it because I don't know the size. This one is Young Nails Overdrive. It is another gel paint. Assuming it's in the color black. Oh no. Great. Yeah, it's a black color gel paint. Okay. And the next one I'm assuming is another gel paint. Kind of upset that there's not more of a variety. But I guess I don't have any gel paints, so that's nice. But I also kind of just use regular gel polish for everything. But this one is in Discovery. It looks like it's like a glittery blue. So these again. Oh my god, I hate these types of lids. Oh my god. Literally, I thought I had it all worked out with this tweezers. Oh, it's like it's just a pure like silver glitter. But for sure, because it looked like blue with the top. There is that one. And the last gel paint in here, I believe is a gel paint. I'm assuming it's a gel paint. I don't know, I also don't have a lot of Young Nail stuff, but I kind of wish it came with like some acrylic stuff. This is Mega Jam. Oh, there's a hair on there. Oh my god. Seriously, a struggle to open anything in these boxes. Okay, jeez. So that's what we have to open. So like I said, this is Mega Jam. Oh, we still have to open the inside of it. Oop, whatever. This is like a hot pink. Yeah. It's like the slightest purple tint to it, but I'd say it's mostly pink. Okay. Oh my god, I'm seriously just struggling. I'm about to leave this. There we go. Jesus Christ. Okay, and then the last thing in the box, looks pretty easy to open. Let's see what it is. It is the full cover Coffin Nail Tips 500 Master Pack and Nail Glue. So let's just open this up. Okay. So yeah, it's like reeks of plastic. Let me move this box out of the way. Okay, so yeah, they're just full cover press-ons. And wait, is that the largest? Oh no, I was gonna say, if that's the largest and it doesn't even fit my thumb, like, oh my god. Because I have pretty small fingers. I have acrylics on right now too. Okay, yeah, the largest is bigger than my thumb. Okay, so it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10 different sizes. I'm assuming like 0 to 9. But it's another thing, it doesn't have, the tips have, so yeah, 0, is this one the smallest? I don't like how it's set up, honestly. Oh my gosh. This one's a 6, I think. Is that what that said? 4. That doesn't make sense. Am I just crazy? This must be a 9. It has to be a 9. This one would be 6, right? Yeah, so this one's 6, that one's 9. Yeah, so 0 to 9. And then it comes with a little bit of Young Nails glue. And it says 2 grams in here. Came right off. That's not how you open it. And it's just a little dropper top. Okay, I'll probably use these for my press-ons, honestly. For sewing them. All this stuff. Okay, let me pause my camera so I can look at everything. So I couldn't find the mystery box on the website still to say like how much is supposed to come in it, but I did find out that these gel paints are $10.45 each and they are 5 grams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's at least $50 right here, a little more than $50. And then I'm trying to find more, but it's not letting me search. So let me see. Come on, I want to let me search. Let's see, tips. So Master Pick Natural. Let's see, this is not it. I don't even see these on the website. Let's see. Okay, these full cover tips are $29.95, so it's like $30. So 30 plus 50, that's 80. And then let me see if I can find the brushes. So the micro detail brush is $10.45. And then this is their striper brush, which is also $10.45. So what are we at? We're over 100. So let's do the math. 10.45 times 1, 2, so 7 plus 29.95, $103.10, and I paid $42.50 for it. So overall, it's a good deal. Personally, I wish we got some other things, but I think all these things go together, which is really nice. Maybe I should have gotten box A and box B, and it would have been like a different thing. This seems to be mostly like the gel nail art type of things. But yeah, I am pleased with it. I have never tried these paints, so I'm excited to try them. I really like how these detail brushes look, and I'm excited to use the tips for my press-ons. So overall, I am satisfied. Let me know if you got Mystery Box B and what you got in it. I would like to know, like, if for next year I should get both boxes. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to see more videos like this and nail art videos, etc. So I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys!